first graders. So today for math, we are going to be looking at the vending machine again with the snacks in it. And it looks like the vending machine prices have changed for the different snacks. Some of the prices went up and some of the prices went down. So what we're going to do first today is we are going to look at which items went up in price. So here's a list. It says old and new vending machine prices. It shows the old price and then the new price. And then it shows all the items listed here. So the crackers, they used to be 30 cents. Now they're 50 cents. So they went up in price because 50 is bigger than 30. So I'm going to highlight crackers. Peanuts also went up in price because they used to be 55 cents and now they're 60 cents. The pretzels went up in price too because they were 65 cents and now they're 75 cents. The raisins, it looks like, were 45. They went down in price. Now they're 35 cents. So I'm not going to highlight that one. The rice cakes went from 50 cents to 40 cents, so they went down in price. But the water, it used to be 75 cents and now it's 85 cents, so that went up in price. It's going to cost you more money now. The granola was 40 cents, now it's 70 cents, so that went up as well. Sunflower seeds went down in price because they were 60 cents, but now 40 cents. And the mints also went down in price because they were 35 cents and now they're 20 cents. And the last item is the cheese sticks, and they went up in price. They went from 25 cents to 30 cents. So now what I'll do is on my practice page or my work journal page, it wants me to list the snacks that went up in price. It says these snacks went up in price. How much did each price go up? So crackers is already listed. So now I need to write peanuts because that went up in price. The pretzels went up in price. The water also went up in price. And the granola and the cheese sticks went up in price. Now I need to see how much each item went up in price. So the crackers, they did that one for us. They went up 20 cents in price, but I did put it up here on my refrigerator just to show you how they got the answer. The crackers used to be 30 cents. Now they're 50 cents. So they went from 30 to 50. So if you partner them up like this, you can see that the new price, the 50 cents, has two base 10s that we don't have over here. So that means that 10 plus 10 is 20, so that means it went up in price by 20 cents. So they already wrote that on the paper here. Crackers went up in price by 20 cents. Let's look at the peanuts next. Over here, I used some base 10s again to show you that the peanuts used to be 55 cents. So they were 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. But now they are 60 cents. So I'm going to line them up here. And in order to get 60, I would have to add 5 more base 10s here. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So that means in order to get to 60, I have to add 5 more base 10s. So if I was going to pay for these, I would need 5 more cents. So that means it went up in price by 5 cents. So right here where it says peanuts on my paper, I'm going to write 5 cents because it went up in price by 5 cents. Next, let's look at our pretzels. So our pretzels used to cost, the old price was 65 cents. The new price is 75 cents. So I can see that it went up in price by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It went up in price by 10 cents. So where it says pretzels here, I know it went up in price by 10 cents. Now, let's look at the water. The water used to cost 75 cents, and now it costs 85 cents. So, it went up in price by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I could just remember that's 10 more because 85 is underneath 75. So it went up in price by 10 cents. So where it says water here, I'll write 10 cents. Next, the granola. So the granola went from 40 cents to 70 cents. So for this one, I'll use my base 10 shorthand. That's where I draw my base 10 blocks. So the granola used to be 10, 20, 30, 40 cents. And now it's 70 cents. So now it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I will partner these up. And I can see that the new price, which is 70 cents, is 30 cents more, 10, 20, 30. So right here, where it says granola, I'll write 30 cents. Now the cheese sticks. Let's look over at the refrigerator again. And we go over here. The cheese sticks used to cost 25 cents. And now they cost 30 cents. So this is the old price. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And move these out of the way for now. Whoops. Now they cost 30 cents. So if I partner them up, because I want to see how much more they cost now, these two would be partners. And then if these two go together, you can see that you need 5 more to get to the same amount. So, or you could look at it this way too. Here's 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would need 5 more to get to 30. So the cheese sticks went from 25 to 30, so they went up by 5 cents. So the cheese sticks went up by 5 cents. Now, we have a story problem here. It says, I'll read this part first. Nico has 30 cents. Leela has 35 cents. Wei, this is a Chinese name. Wei, and it's spelled with an E, but it's pronounced Wei. Wei has 50 cents. Nico, Leela, and Wei each buy a package of cheese sticks. So cheese sticks cost 30 cents. Now, how much money does each child have left? So they all want to get the cheese sticks for 30 cents. Nico, we'll talk about Nico first. Nico has 30 cents. So we want to start with 30. he has 30 cents minus 30, because that's what they cost, equals 0. So he would have no money left over. So Nico will have 0 cents left. Leela, she has 35 cents. So she has 35 minus 30 cents for the cheese sticks equals how many? What would be 35 minus 30? Well, let me do this. Here's 35, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. She has to pay this much for the cheese sticks. She has to pay 30. See? 10, 20, 30. So how much does she have left? She has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents left. Okay, so Leela will have 5 cents left. Now, Wei has 50 cents. So he has the most to start with. 50 minus 30, because that's how much the cheese sticks cost. So here we have 50. He has 50 cents in his pocket. We need to take away 30 for the cheese sticks. So he has 10, 20 cents left. Okay, so Wei will have 20 cents left. So this shows how much each child has left. Now it says Nico, Leela, and Wei put together all of the money they have left. How much do they have in all? Okay, so Nico has 0 left. Leela has 5 cents left. And Wei has 20 cents left. So how much do they have in all? So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, all right, 25 cents, because that's how much they have in all. Now I need a number model. So remember, Nico had 0 plus Leela had 5 cents plus Wei had 20 cents equals 25. Okay, so that is all for our vending machine lesson. There will be another video after this one showing some number problems that I'm going to make up using the vending machine numbers. So watch that one next, and I'll see you then.